we will make Mutton Kofta and Aaloo recipe. To make kofta, we have taken roasted chickpeas, poppy seeds, and hot spices. Grind them all well. Half a kilo of mutton has been washed and chopped in a chopper. Now we will add spices to it. Salt 1 tablespoon, garam masala powder, half tablespoon coriander leaves, red chili powder half tablespoon. Now add hot spices, roasted chickpeas, and poppy seeds paste to it. Now mix all these ingredients. Now make small ball. All koftas are ready. Now take a cup of oil and heat it well. The oil is heated. Now put the onion in it. Cook the onion until golden. The onion has become golden. Now take it out. Add bay leaves, black pepper, cumin seeds, and cloves. Add tomato paste, turmeric powder, half tablespoon, red chili powder 0.1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 0.1 tablespoon. Fry all the spices well. Add garam masala powder, half tablespoon, yogurt 1/2 cup. Now we will make the paste of roasted onions. Add the onion paste to the spices and fry well. Add potato and cook well. Now add a glass of water and cover it for 5 minutes on high flame. After 5 minutes, mix it well. Now add the koftas and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. After 25 minutes, mix well. Now add garam masala powder and coriander leaves. Koftay Aaloo curry is ready. Dish out and enjoy it for roti, rice and naan. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, Shumaila Food Secret.